Terra base on. Raw on.
Born the world's first.
Mutant. You are all my children.
And you're lost because you follow blind leaders. But I am here now
Off.
for you.
Wherever this being was, he always had 4 followers he would imbue with power.
Like the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse.
Terra base on.
Got it from him.
What is it?
Oh God.
He can control all of us.
The world needs the X-Men.
That's why I'm here. To fight.
Not all of us can control our powers.
Then don't. This is war.
Everything
Raw on.
will fall! And from the ashes of their world, we'll build a better one! I've never felt power like this before.
Too big for little minds.
I'd know if you wouldn't like you.
I don't think you've ever known anyone like me.
You know the oldest lie in America? Is that power can be innocent.
Well, this never works out well for you. What's your name?
Casey Jones.
One question. Are you two guys like a thing?
I'm looking for Aaron Moore. But we could work with that. Me too. This is gonna be good!
Dude, bringing back the mohawk. Good for you.
Oh, y'all got jokes, huh?